Hey everybody, Aaron Blaise here, and I am hard at work right now. We're creating a new course on how to use Procreate's new animation software that's coming out called Dreams. We are neck deep in it. I'm having such a great time animating in it, and I can't wait to show you guys how to do it. Meanwhile, I want you to know that over at our website, creatureartteacher.com, my character design course, which is a 16-hour course, over 20 videos, that is still $1 right now. And you can get that once again at creatureartteacher.com/learn. And also my animation courses are all $10 or less. So my animation on paper course is only $5, and I take you through all my methods of working on paper, how to flip the paper, how to create a bouncing ball, how to do a flour sack, creating dialogue. I take you through charting and exposure sheets. It's a really fun course. Also, I've got my acting for animation, the fundamentals of animation. I take you through a scene approach. So go on over. If you want to learn animation, learn character design, or learn art in general, go on over to creatureartteacher.com and check it out. Meanwhile, I'm going to get back here and I'm going to create this course, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.